Guys, I just got free 75 gig worth of data on my GLO right now. It says here, congrats, you've earned 75 gig bonus data valid till whenever. On my video today, I'll be telling you how you too can get this 75 gig worth of data for free. Do you know how much is 75 gig worth of data as of today? If you're to get it by yourself, it's going to be, let's say, over maybe 20k or so, or let's say maybe over 15,000 naira. So I'll be showing how to get that for yourself for free. Okay, so just watch this video to the very end to get the full information. On my channel here, I've created a lot of videos that talk about how to get free 50 gig on MTN. You can see the video. I've told you how to get a lot of free data and even free airtime on different platforms. Yes, I did on my channel here. Guys, let me even show you something. You see this list I have with me, this list right here? It shows you different platforms will give you free data and free airtime. So I have lots and lots more coming for you guys. All you need to do, like I said, is to watch this video to the very end, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel and smash on the bell notification icon so that whenever I create more videos like this, you'll be the first to get notified. Okay, so guys, if you've done that, let's jump right to the main video. Okay, so right here on my phone, I'm getting a message from GLO for a very long time that says here, you are entitled to 300 gig for first-time users. Simply apply on GLO Cafe self-care app, then with this link. Right, so I'm getting this video, as you can see, but I did not pay attention to it. I just felt maybe it's all these scam people and it's a link and all. So I said, okay, let me try this out and see if truly they're going to give me this data. Okay, so I click on the iOS one because I use an iPhone. So what you're going to do is, when I leave this link on the description box below, which you can check it out, I'm going to put it for Android and for iOS. Okay, so once I click on that link, it took me to Play Store, right? And you can see here, it took me to go and download this GLO Cafe. And right, it is showing open. Why? Because I really downloaded the app, I already installed it. But on your end, you have to install it. So now, once you install it, remember it's for GLO users only. Airtel users, I have something special for you. MTN users, don't worry, there are lots more coming for you. GLO and even 9 Mobile. Okay, so once you download this one right now, once you download it, you open it, then you have to now fill in all your details. Put in your number. Do you understand? That number you've not used before, because this free 75 gig is for first-time users. I cannot use my number again and go back to download a new app and put my number to get the 75. No. Okay, so once you've not done this before, you put in your number, your GLO number, you log in, put in your password and everything, then automatically they will give you that data. However, there is a catch to this. Now, this data does not last for a very long time. So as you can see here, it says on this message right here, it says, congrats, you've earned 75 gig bonus data valid till 12 a.m. Use GLO Cafe to recharge and rest of them, right? So what this means is, once you recharge or once you do this and it give you this 75 gig of data, it is going to expire 12 a.m. So I'm going to advise or suggest to you, because how I did mine was I used to update my MacBook, my iPhone, all the whole software, download a lot of movies, so even upload more videos for you guys here on my channel. That was how I was going to finish the whole 75 gig worth of data. So what you should do is, okay, before you log in this app or sign up on this app, ensure you do it, let's say if you can do it by 1 a.m. so you have the full day to enjoy this data, uploading anything you want to upload, even downloading a lot of movies, updating your software, your apps, doing sort of things, because once it's 12 a.m. the next day, it is going to just finish up. Okay, so let me in the comment section, guys, if this worked for you. Let me in the comment section, and do not forget, like I said, to click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon, so when I create all these other videos I talked about, yes, this video over here, where is the list, this video right here, right? Once I put the video, you guys will be the first to get inspired. Okay, so check out my next video on MTN 50 gig or how you can get free data and airtime. See you guys.